Hi, good afternoon. Today is Wednesday, 17th of June 2020, and the time now is 4 o'clock. I just want to give you an update about my paving works. As you can see, the middle third already completed, and then just about to start on the left hand side. As you can see, there's a string line laid on this area. So I'll just explain what's this all about. So basically, when there's a runoff, all the water might pond in this area, might pond on this area. So I raise it 10 mil higher than this point. So basically now we have a slope of 3.3%. I just calculate it. So the distance is 300 mil. So I raise it 10 mil. So 10 multiplied by 100% divided by 300, so that's about 3.33%. This one here. From this point to this point is 3.33%. Whereas, excuse me. So this level here is 30 mil lower, 30 mil lower than this point. So the distance from that point, the distance from that point to here is 1280 mil. So if I calculate the slope, so it's a bit stuck. To calculate the slope is 34 mil multiplied by 100 divided by 1280 millimeter. So that's about 2.6%. So from this point, again, from that point to this point here is 2.6%. And just to reiterate, from this point here to this point here is 3.33%. So and this triangle hypotenuse here is the same level as the original, so it won't change. So that's why I put it, the reason why I put it, just to prevent ponding of water on this corner. So the same principle applies on this area here, but the slope would be changed because this is a short distance, short length. So we have to calculate it when this side here already completed. Alright, friends, that's my short presentation, and I hope you like it. If you have any query or comments, please do so. It might help to make these things beautiful. So please comment and like or subscribe if you haven't done yet. And thank you so much. Please be safe and God bless. Bye for now.